The following contest is for the World Heavyweight Championship. Please welcome Alberto Del Rio's personal ring announcer, Ricardo Rodriguez.
Damas y caballeros, en el camino hacia el cuadrilátero, él es el verdadero hijo de México, Alberto Del Rio.
Alberto Del Rio is looking to fulfill what he believes is his destiny by becoming the World Heavyweight Champion here at WrestleMania.
He's the winner of the 2011 Royal Rumble, and he's here for one reason, and one reason only: the World Heavyweight Championship.
Alberto Del Rio was the winner of the biggest Royal Rumble in WWE history. Defeated 39 other superstars to earn this opportunity to compete for the World Heavyweight Championship against Edge.
From Toronto, Ontario, Canada, weighing 241 pounds, the World Heavyweight Champion, the Rated R Superstar, Edge.
Well, the Rated R Superstar is an 11-time world champion, a master manipulator, and the ultimate opportunist.
Ladies and gentlemen, I had the opportunity to speak with the World Heavyweight Champion Edge, and he told me that, well, he has a personal vendetta here tonight. He's never successfully defended the World Heavyweight title at WrestleMania. Edge vows to do it tonight against a very game Alberto Del Rio. So, ladies and gentlemen, an unprecedented start for WrestleMania. For the first time in history, the first match of the night, the World Heavyweight Championship, will be defended. Will Edge successfully? So indeed, ladies and gentlemen, an unprecedented start for WrestleMania. For the first time in history, the first match of the night, the World Heavyweight Championship, will be defended. Will Edge successfully defend, or will it be Alberto Del Rio's destiny to win the title tonight?
Well, the last visual we saw of the world champion Edge and Alberto Del Rio was Del Rio locking on his cross-arm breaker to Edge. It's been a recurring theme over the past number of weeks.
Edge has the experience factor over Del Rio, but Del Rio is one of the fastest rising superstars in recent memory.
Well, if momentum means anything, we could see a new World Heavyweight Champion here tonight.
And a kick. And that wild attack won't find a home. And that was a huge shot.
Oh! He's not too keen on sharing the ring with his opponent.
His strike hits nothing but air.
Suplex! We're going to see a lot of effective moves like that in this match. Edge reverses.
And that punch lands hard. And he goes down hard. Back into the ring now.
That was an insane move. There was no hesitation there. This one's all business.
Alberto Del Rio needs to get himself back in the game here. Otherwise, he's going to be on the losing end of this thing. And it goes running. I've got to wonder if this WrestleMania environment, the sheer number of people in attendance, the Rated R Superstar has almost done everything there is to do in WWE. Everything but successfully defend the world title at WrestleMania. And that eats at him.
It's always harder to defend the championship than it is to win it. Anyone can get lucky, JR, but it takes skill and determination to hold on to a championship.
Again, he sent crashing to the outside.
Wow, going all in, and man, did it pay off? Oh, what's he going to do to follow that up? Edge may have it.
The Rated R Superstar is showing Alberto Del Rio why Edge is the world champion. Showing Del Rio that no one handed Edge the championship. The Rated R Superstar earned it. And if Del Rio thinks he's just going to walk into WrestleMania and take the World Heavyweight Championship from Edge, he is sorely mistaken.
And
there's a counter.
Uh-oh, big move coming.
Del Rio moving with such purpose here. He's looking to lock it in.
He's applying pressure in all the right places. Oh my God, that's gotta hurt.
This is such a painful hold.
Alberto Del Rio. My God, he's giving his opponent a beating he'll never forget. Del Rio talks at length about his destiny. Del Rio, the aristocrat, believes with all his heart that he is destined to hold championship gold in WWE.
Del Rio is so full of himself, and overconfidence sometimes leads to mistake. Just look in the ring, JR. Del Rio is in real trouble. Oh, big DDT, that could be it. Hey, he's going for it again.
What a spear! That'll put your lights out permanently.
My God almighty, going for the cover.
Here's 2, 3, and this match is over.
Here is your winner and still World Heavyweight Champion, Edge.
Edge did exactly what he set out to do tonight. Edge successfully defending the World Heavyweight Championship on the grand stage at WrestleMania.
Well, Edge has got to feel real good about this victory. Alberto Del Rio talked about how it was his destiny to be the champion. But no, Edge retained in front of this huge, huge crowd here at WrestleMania.